Hello everyone. Here we are today in the new ambient. So today I will base our class on stretching. So if you had every day some kind of workout, your body needs to rest, but also your body needs to be stretched. So some of these techniques you can use after your training, when you finish the training, or not or and one day when you choose to be a rest day, then you can implement all these drills, so let's call them like that, into your rest day. Okay, so let's not waste time and let's start. So first exercise that we're going to do, we will start from the upper part. So you will extend your hands on the side, and now you twist one hand inward, another hand outward. Yeah. So it's basically like when you want to squeeze the water from the towel. So that's what you're doing now. Going on one side, hold for 2-3 seconds, and then go on the other side. Okay? One side, other side. Okay? That will be the first exercise. Second one will be you are kneeling. Okay? So now you will lay down on the ground, placing your hand that your palm is looking at the ceiling and touching with the shoulder the ground. Okay? So it will look like this. Then you will stand up, you will rotate back the palm, you put this palm outside and then other side. And do this like 3-4 times each side. Okay? Third exercise, next exercise. So we warm up, not warm up, we stretch a little bit our upper part, so our shoulders. Also, we stretch our chest, which later we will add one more exercise, which will be a little bit dynamic. So next one, what we're going to do, we will go in lunge. Okay, so place your hands up high above you, follow with your eyes your hands, and stretch, go backwards. Hold there when you feel the stretch of front part of your body or of the core. Hold for 2-3 seconds and then relax. Okay, then you can switch leg, same thing, and stretch and hold. Okay, and back. So each one of these exercises that I'm showing you now, you will do 2 to 3 sets. Okay, so every time when you feel that stretch, you will hold for a few seconds and then relax. Okay, next one. So now you will go also in lunge. Okay, but one leg will be extended. Okay, hands are on the ground. Okay, so it will be in this position. Okay, the hand that is inside, in between the leg and the hand, other hand, is going internal rotation and then external. So we go 1, 2, and like that we go till 5. Then we will switch hand. Okay, we go 1, 2, and so. Okay, next one from that position. So if we went from this position, now we will just look at my leg that is down on the other side. So I'll just rotate. Okay, so I'm supposed to feel the stretch here. I place my elbow on the inside of this knee and I'm trying to rotate on the other side up. Okay, when you finish that, you can go also the other side. So make sure that your foot is facing forward. Yeah, so don't do like this. Foot is facing forward. Again, elbow in the knee. Okay, and open. Open. Okay, that will be a little bit for the lower part. Next, what we can do is going from the starting position, go all the way down, walk on our hands, but now you put your hips down and if you try to look at the ceiling. Hold in that position for a few seconds. Okay, so you're supposed to feel all this part how it's stretching. And then from this position, you're going back to the starting position, and try it again. Okay? Next one, we want to open a little bit our chest. So what we're gonna do? We will go 4 legs, okay? One hand you place on the back of your head. Go inside, touch your elbow. So I'll show from this side. So inside, touch your elbow, and then open towards the ceiling. So this elbow is going all the way up, opening to the ceiling. Hop, open, hop, open. Okay? Same thing you do with the other hand. Hop, and open. Hop, and open. Okay? Next one. So I'll show today pretty much stretching drills, so combined depending what you're doing that day. Next one, what we're gonna do will be a child's pose. So you will sit on your heels. So I'll show from this side. So you sit on your heels, okay? Extend yourself all the way down, head down, and hold in that position. Just relax and hold in that position for 5 to 6 seconds. Then you'll go a little bit on the side, also relax. So you're supposed to feel the other side stretching. Then when you go on this side, you'll feel this side stretching, okay? From this position, we will go to so-called pigeon position. So what we want to do there? So you go in the lunge, but now you twist this leg, put it forward, and try to relax. Leg that is behind is extended, yeah? So we are trying to put a pressure on these muscles here, yeah? So this leg is forward and hold for a few seconds, then relax. I'll show it on the side. So this leg is forward, that other leg is extended, and I try to reach down as best as I can, yeah? So my hip mobility is not so good, so if I practice this every day, it will get better and better, okay? Next one, what we're gonna do, we will sit down and you will put both of your knees down on the ground, okay? Knee that is outside, you will rotate your body towards that knee. You can put your hands on the shoulders, that's the harder version, or you can put it on the ground for the beginning, okay? And go all the way down as much as you can, hold for a few seconds, and then go up. Then you switch, same thing. I'll show you now harder version as well. On the shoulder, I rotate, down, and go back, and then I change. Okay? So we will show you maybe one more, just to see. Okay, okay. I'll show you 2 more. Okay, first one will be crab extension. So you will go on 4 legs, but opposite than the one before. One hand is above, and you go diagonally, stretch yourself. Okay, so diagonally push and back, up and back. So try to raise your hips up. Okay, well known position is cow cat. Okay, so on 4 legs, relax your spine, put your back shots together, and try to raise your head to look up at the ceiling as best as you can. And then you raise your spine, you make that big curve that you see, yeah? Put your head between your shoulders and exhale. Here you go. Inhale, exhale, okay? So this is also really great for your spine mobility, okay? That will be it, okay? So I show you a couple of exercises. I think it's around 10 exercises, or called stretch exercises, yeah? So that you can implement after every training and also on your rest days. It will be really amazing. So you will increase your mobility. So what means mobility? So the movement in your big joints that are hips, knees, ankles, shoulders, yeah? So you will increase their movement, yeah? And you will avoid injuries, yeah? So that will be all for today. It was really short, but really necessary to do. So take care, stay active, stay safe, and see you soon.